Do you need a new part made and your current supplier just isn't meeting the standard? Or maybe it's a new project and you need access to all sorts of new ideas. Hi, I'm Hardy Spence with Ash Industries, and we're the molding experts. We're specialists in injection molding, and that's been true for about 30 years.
Now this is where the molding magic happens. We have 19 injection molding presses ranging from 30 tons on the small end all the way up to 850 tons.
We can get up to 4 or 5 million parts a month if that's what you need.
Metal injection molding most times is actually used for our medical customers and gun part customers.
We can mold the net shape in the part.
Silicone offers a high durability, high heat resistance.
It stretches. So we are big on rotational molding at Ash Industries. Hollow things, vessels, containers, gas tanks, floats.